everybody, assalamu alaikum. I hope everybody is doing fine. Today I'm making tilapia fish. I have around maybe a little more than 3 pounds of tilapia. It's nice and thick, fresh, and when I say fresh, it means never been frozen, just got this from the store and nice and fresh. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to zest it, zest of 1 lemon. So I'm going to add the zest before I can add anything else. This way you get a really good zesty flavor to your fish. Okay, so for spices, I have lemon pepper, ginger garlic paste, I have Goya spice mix, I have fish masala, I have Ajwain, and I have some of the Tandoori style masala. So I'm going to make a combination of all of that. I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon, आधे lemon का juice डालेंगे उसमें, और उसमें डालेंगे 3 tablespoons of olive oil or any other oil that you like or use. And now we are going to make a nice smooth paste out of it. Just mix it well so all spices are combined. We will have a nice thick smooth paste. तो इसी तरह आपने इसको हिलाना है और आपने उसकी एक अच्छी सी पेस्ट बना लेनी है. This is chili pepper. It's optional. You can use paprika, you can use pepper flakes, or don't use anything. Use black pepper if you want. So it's up to you. So this is a nice paste ready. It's a nice color too. This is going to give some color to my fish, and the color is coming from that masala mix, that orange color masala mix. Okay, so what I'm going to do, around 1 tablespoon on each fish on the top side. These are 5 halves of tilapia, आधी आधी कटी हुई दरमियान में से tilapia. तो यूँ समझ लें कि 2.5 tilapia हैं बड़े साइज़ की मेरे पास. So अब इसको अच्छे से लगाना है इसके ऊपर, हाथ यूज़ करें और अच्छे से make sure करें कि you cover all of it, because this spice mix is really good and you want your fish to be nicely flavored. The bottom side will come next. So I did all the top, ऊपर से मैंने सारा कर दिया. Now I'm going to put it in the tray on a rack, and so I'm going to do the other side. So this is how I'm going to bake it. इसको इसी tray में रख के मैंने bake करना है. So both sides को equally वो लगेगा, heat लगेगी तो अच्छी हो जाएगी. ये नहीं कि एक side से हो जाए दूसरी side जो है वो flat नीचे पड़ी हो. So I'm going to put it like that on the baking rack, and I'm going to bake it. So I'm just going to do little dab. Why? Because I want the masala to be nice and smooth when it's done. Okay, so there you go. I think I pretty much covered both sides. अच्छे से cover कर दी हैं दोनों sides इसकी मैंने. अब इसको 400 degree Fahrenheit पे, that works for me. 370 to 400 you can pick. So after 35 minutes my fish is done. You can give it 40 minutes if you want a little bit more crispy. I'm adding a little bit of cilantro flakes to it to garnish, and it's so nice and tender. It's crispy from outside. Masala is very nice. This is, I don't know, it's fantastic. It's perfectly cooked, flaky. 35 to 40 minutes is a pretty good time at 400 degree Fahrenheit. You can do 370 and give it 40 minutes. I gave it 435 minutes. It's perfectly done. And thank you for watching.